Hello everyone. Today through this channel I am going to discuss about classification of living beings under the subject science of grade 10. This material is important for SE appearing students and the students who are going to appear supplementary examination 2080 of SEE. So in the previous class we discussed on the notes of classification of organisms and multiple choice questions, and today in these lessons we are going to discuss about very short questions of section B is carrying 1 mark. So first question is, what is classification of organism? Answer is, the process of systematic arrangement of organisms into different groups on the basis of their characteristic features is called classification of organisms. Second question, what is binomial system of nomenclature? Binomial system of nomenclature means it is the system of giving two names, namely generic name and specific name, to a single organism. Another question, who introduced the five kingdom system of classification of organisms? Robert Harding Whittaker introduced the five kingdom system of organisms, classification of organisms. So he is the father of five kingdom system, Robert H. Whittaker. Next question, what are the five kingdoms of organism as given by Whittaker? The five kingdoms of organisms are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. Among them, least developed is Monera and most developed is Animalia. What is prokaryotic organisms? The organism which lacks true nucleus, that is, organism having primitive type of nucleus, is called prokaryotic organism. What is saprophytic organism? Saprophytic meaning is the organism depending upon dead and decayed matter for food is called saprophytic organisms. For example, fungi. What is autotroph? Green plant which can synthesize the food by itself is called autotroph. What is diploblastic animal? The animal having two germ layers in the embryo stage is called diploblastic animal. For example, cycone. Cycone is diploblastic animal. What is triploblastic animal? The animal having three germ layers in the embryo stage is called triploblastic animal. For example, earthworm. Next question, how many division is Plantae kingdom divided into? Plantae kingdom is divided into three divisions. What type of animals are called invertebrates? Give any three examples. Invertebrate is the animal that lack backbone, or the animal without backbone is called invertebrate. Examples are like spider, snail, worm, crabs, insects, etc. Identify the animal and division of the organisms shown in the figure. This figure. Look at this figure clearly and identify the name and division of this organism. Obviously it is Spirogyra, its division is algae. Name the division of plant having vascular tissue. What is the name of plant? What is the name of division of the plant that have vascular tissue? Obviously it is Tracheophyta. The division is Tracheophyta. What is the mode of nutrition of algae? What is the mode of nutrition of algae? Obviously it's it is autotrophic. Autotrophic meaning is they can synthesize their food by themselves. Name the subdivision of Trichophyta. The subdivision of Trichophyta are Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. These three are the subdivision of Trichophyta. What is the main feature of Trichophyta? Obviously, the main feature of Trichophyta is that they have vascular tissue like xylem and phloem. Which subdivision of plant is called amphibian plant? The subdivision Bryophyta is called amphibian plant. What is the name, division and subdivision of the plant shown in the figure? This plant. What is this plant? It is a Mertensia. Division is Mertensia. Division is Trichophyta and subdivision is Bryophyta. Now, what is alternation of generation? The life cycle of bryophytes as well as pteridophytes consists of two generations. One is sporophyte, another is gametophyte that alters one after another, and the process is called alternation of generations. The life cycle of some plant, that is bryophytes and pteridophytes, consists of two generations, namely sporophyte and gametophyte, which occurs one after another by a process called alternation of generation. Name any two plants that show alternation of generation. They are moss and fern. These moss and fern show the alternation of generation. What are rhizoids? Rhizoids are root-like structure in bryophytes that help in absorption and fixation of the plant to absorb water and mineral, and that fixes plant straight upright. What are gymnosperms? Gymnosperms are naked seeded plants. Their seeds are naked. What are angiosperms? Plants whose seeds are enclosed in fruits are called angiosperms. Write one feature of plant shown in the figure. It is found in moist and shady place. This plant is horsetail and it is found in moist and shady place. Moist and shady place. Give any two examples of pteridophytes. Pteridophytes' two examples are horsetail and fern. Horsetail and fern. What do you mean by rhizome? Rhizome is underground modified stem that remains under the soil. Like fern has rhizome. It is a modified stem, remain underground. What is coniferous plant? Cone-bearing plants like pine, cypress, etc. are called coniferous plants. Write a main difference between plants shown in the figure. We should differentiate between these two plants. These two plants. What is the difference between these two plants? The first figure has enclosed seed. First figure is a maize and enclosed seed, whereas second figure is pine and that has naked seed. So this has enclosed seed and this has naked seed. That's the main difference. Define monocotyledon. The plant having only one cotyledon in its seed is called monocotyledon. For example, maize. What is dicot plant? The plant having two cotyledon in its seed is called dicot plant. For example, mango. What type of root is found in monocotyledon? Obviously, Fibrous root is found in monocotyledon. What type of root is found in dicotyledon? Taproot is found in dicotyledon. Name the types of venation found in the leaves of monocot and dicot plants. Obviously, parallel venation is found in monocot plants and reticulate venation is found in dicot plants. What is a radially symmetrical body? Radially symmetrical body is the one that can be divided into similar halves by multiple planes passing through a central point. Example of such body is body of a sponge. The body is round and it can be cut through radius by any plane and body is divided into two equal halves. Such body is called radially symmetrical body. Name two organisms having bilaterally symmetrical body. Example are butterfly and earthworm. What is hermaphrodite? Hermaphrodite means bisexual organisms. That means animal having both male and female sex organ in the same body is called bisexual or hermaphrodite. Example earthworm. What is regeneration? Regeneration is a type of asexual reproduction in which the organism regains its lost part and develops into new organism. Example, it occurs in tapeworm. When tapeworm body is divided into many pieces, each part regains its lost part. Like if it has head, it regains body and tail part. If it has body part, it regains its head part and tail part. Such high regeneration power tapeworm has. Give two examples of endoparasite. Endoparasite examples are roundworm and tapeworm. What is excretory organ of annelids? Nephridia are the excretory organ of the annelids. Nephridia. Name two animals having asymmetrical body. Two animals having asymmetrical body are snail and octopus. Name the phylum which is exclusively marine. Marine means it is found in salty water. Obviously, it is Echinodermata, which is exclusively marine. What is locomotory organ of starfish? The locomotory organ of starfish is tube feet. What is poikilothermic or cold-blooded animal? The animal whose body temperature changes according to the temperature of surrounding is called poikilothermic animal. Example, fish, frog, etc. What is homeothermic or warm-blooded animal? The animal whose body temperature remains constant throughout the year is called homeothermic animal. Example, birds and cow and other mammals. Define external fertilization. The process of fusion of male and female gametes outside the body is called external fertilization. Similarly, what is internal fertilization? The process of fusion of male and female gametes inside the body is called internal fertilizations. And here is one question. Write the division of following plants. And here is the answer. Chlamydomonas algae, Spirogyra algae, Fucus algae, Merkensia bryophyta, liverwort bryophyta, fern tracheophyta, pine tracheophyta, Volvox algae, Ulothrix algae, moss bryophyta, Riccia bryophyta, horsetail tracheophyta, clubmoss tracheophyta, Cycas tracheophyta. Fir tracheophyta, wheat tracheophyta, maize tracheophyta, and mango tracheophyta. Similarly, another question, write the phylum of the following animals. And here is the answer. Cycon porifera, Cleona porifera, jellyfish, Coelenterata, tapeworm platyhelminthes, ascaris nematohelminthes, earthworm annelida, spider arthropoda, octopus mollusca, starfish echinodermata, shark chordata, frog chordata, crocodile chordata, monkey chordata, Leucosolenia porifera, sponge porifera, Hydra coelenterata, jellyfish coelenterata, Planaria, platyhelminthes, leech annelida, butterfly arthropoda, cuttlefish mollusca, sea urchin echinodermata, seals chordata, toad chordata, snake chordata, parrot chordata, whale chordata, Hylonemma porifera. Write the phylum of animals having following characteristics. Body with numerous pores. Obviously it is porifera. Presence of coelenteron, coelenterata. Presence of flat body, platyhelminthes. Long cylindrical unsegmented body, nemathelminthes. Jointed body and appendages, arthropoda. Metamerically segmented body, annelida. Presence of soft bone, mollusca. Exclusively marine habitat, echinodermata. Presence of asymmetrical and spiny body, echinodermata. Presence of streamlined body, chordata. Live on both land and water, chordata. Creep and crawl on land, chordata. Body with feather and pneumatic bones, chordata. Presence of mammary gland, chordata. Next question is, write the class of animals having following characteristics. Presence of scale and streamlined body, Pisces class. Live both land and water, amphibia. Creep or crawl on land, reptilia. Body with feather and pneumatic bone, apes. Apes. Presence of mammary gland, mammalia. Give an example of organism having following characteristics. Body with numerous pores, example cyclone. Presence of coelenteron, hydra. Presence of flat body, tapeworm. Long cylindrical unsegmented body, roundworm. Jointed body and appendages, spider. Metamerically segmented body, earthworm. Presence of soft body, mollusca. Exclusively marine habitat, starfish. Presence of asymmetrical and spiny body, starfish. Presence of streamlined body, fish. Live both on land and water, frog. Creep or crawl on land, lizard. Body with feather and pneumatic bone, pigeon. Presence of mammary gland, cow. Reptilia having four-chamber heart, obviously crocodile. Crocodile is only the reptilia having four-chamber heart, other all have three-chamber heart. Aquatic viviparous, whale. Flying mammal, bat. Bridge animal, platypus. Horse-shaped Pisces, seals. Animal having three heart, octopus. Protist containing chlorophyll, euglena. Naked seeded conifer, pine. Green thallus body, Spirogyra. Enclosed seeded plant, apple. Plant with fibrous root parallel venation and one cotyledon, maize. Plant with taproot reticulate venation and two cotyledon, mango. What are ostia? Ostia are the small pores on the surface of poriferans. Poriferans means the animal of the porifera. What is osculum? Osculum is the largest opening or pore in the uppermost part of the body of poriferans. What are viviparous animals? Animals which directly give birth to baby is called viviparous animal. What is oviparous animal? Egg-laying animal is called oviparous animal. What are gymnosperm? Plants whose seeds are naked or not enclosed in fruits are called gymnosperm. What are angiosperm? The plant whose seeds are enclosed in fruits are called angiosperm. Write a similarity between gymnosperm and angiosperm. Both have vascular tissue. That is the main similarity. Write the locomotory organ of amoeba, paramecium, euglena, hydra, and snail. Organism locomotory organs. Amoeba, pseudopodia, false leg. Paramecium, locomotor organ is cilia. Euglena, flagella. Hydra, tentacle. Snail, muscular foot. What are vertebrates? Animal having vertebral column are called vertebrates. What are chordates? Animal having chordate, notochord, nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits are called chordates. Name the egg-laying mammals. Platypus and echidna are egg-laying mammals. What is hibernation? Hibernation is a process by which cold-blooded animals remain dormant during winter season. This is the definition of hibernation. Hibernation is the inactive stress of the cold-blooded animal during which they hide themselves and remains dormant, means inactive. Now it's time for section C, short question, which carry 2 marks. Write any 2 silent feature of phylum Porifera of animal kingdom. Silent feature of phylum Porifera in the animal kingdom are they have numerous pores in their body called ostia. Their body is radially symmetrical. Write any 2 silent feature of phylum Coelenterata. They contain hollow cavity called coelenteraton. Another body is diploblastic. Diploblastic means 2 layers of body. Similarly, write in 2 silent features of echinodermata. They contain spiny body. They are exclusively marine in habitat. Marine means they are found in salty water. Silent feature of phylum Chordata. Chordata have notochord, nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits. They have closed circulatory system. Similarly, silent feature of subphylum Vertebrata in the animal kingdom. Same, they have notochord, nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits. They have closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of circulatory system means blood flows through the blood vessels. What are the subphylum under the phylum Chordata? They are Hemichordata, Cephalochordata, Urochordata, and Vertebrata. What are the silent features of class Pisces of animal kingdom? They have streamlined body. They have gills to respire. What are the silent features of class Mammalia? They directly give birth to babies. They have mammary glands. Silent feature of division algae. They are autotrophs. They are unicellular or multicellular. Example: Spirigara, Volvox, Nostoc, Ulothrix, Chlamydomonas, etc. Write into silent feature of division Bryophyta. The major characteristic of feature of Bryophyta are they grow in moist and shady places. They are amphibian plants. Example: Moss, Riccia, Merkensia, etc. What are characteristic features of Tracheophyta? They contain vascular tissue. They are more developed autotrophs. Silent feature of Pteridophyta in plant kingdom. They contain vascular tissue. They show alternation of generation. Write 2 characteristic features subdivision Gymnosperm. They are naked-seeded plants. They contain cone instead of flower. Example: Forsythus, Deodar, etc. Write 2 main characteristics of Angiosperm. Seeds are enclosed in fruits. Plant body differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. Silent feature monocotyledon. Seed has only one cotyledon. Leaves have parallel venation. Example: garlic, onion, wheat, sugarcane, banana, bamboo, paddy, etc. 2 feature dicotyledon plant. Its seed have 2 cotyledons. The leaves So reticulate venation. Example apple, gram, mango, etc. Identify the following organism, their phylum and two characteristics. Obviously it is earthworm, phylum Annelida, it is leech, phylum Annelida, and it is Nereis, phylum Annelida. Characteristic feature of Annelida. Body is mathematically segmented, they respire through skin. Similarly, here also identification of the organism. A is hydra, B is jellyfish, C is coral. Their phylum, hydra, Coelenterata, jellyfish, Coelenterata, and coral, Coelenterata. They have hollow cavity in their body, they have tentacle for locomotion. Identify these organisms, their phylum and features. Obviously, this is tapeworm, this is liver fluke, this is blood fluke. Their phylum, all have phylum Platyhelminthes. Yes. Platyhelminthes have hollow cavity in their body. They have tentacles for locomotion. Here also identification. It is roundworm. A is roundworm, B is hookworm, and C is pinworm. They have enclosed and cylindrical body. They are unisexual. Now similarly here also identification. Obviously this is crab, this is prawn, this is crab, centipede, butterfly, spider. These all come under spider. Arthropoda. I already explained. Is prawn arthropoda, B crab arthropoda, C centipede arthropoda, D butterfly arthropoda. They have jointed body and they have jointed appendages, means legs. To identify these organisms, obviously their class is mollusca, their phylum is mollusca, slug, phylum mollusca, snail, phylum mollusca, cuttlefish, phylum mollusca, octopus, phylum mollusca. Here also identification. It's starfish, Echinodermata. This is sea urchin, Echinodermata. B is sea cucumber and C is sea urchin. All are Echinodermata. All lies under Echinodermata. They have spiny body. They have 2 feet for locomotion. Identify the following organism, phylum, class, and write their 2 characteristic features. Question is similar. Obviously, A is toad, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. B is salamander. B is frog, phylum Chordata, class Amphibia. C is salamander, phylum Chordata, class Amphibia. The class Amphibia has following characteristics. They live both land and water. They respire through gills through tubular stages, skin in water and through lungs on land. To identify these snake, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. Lizard, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. Chordata, tortoise, phylum Chordata, class Reptilia. Crocodile, Chordata, Reptilia. Reptilia, general characteristics, they have rough and dry skin, they crawl and creep on land. What are these figure of? Obviously, A is dog, B is parrot, C cock, all class Chordata. Phylum Chordata, class apes. Apes' main features: they have four-chamber heart, they have feathers and wings to fly. The main features of these are tiger, phylum Chordata class Mammalia, bat phylum Chordata class Mammalia, well, dolphin also phylum Chordata class Mammalia. Mammalia main features: they directly give birth to babies and they have mammary gland. Sphaerogyra is called thallus because its body is made up of thread-like structure that's not differentiated into clearly root, stem, and leaves. Pine, thorn, pine, and mango are kept under division Tracheophyta because all of them have vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. Fruits are not formed in gymnosperm. Fruits are not formed in gymnosperm because they lack ovary and double fertilization does not occur in the gymnosperm. Gymnosperm has no real fruits because fruit is not formed due to lack of ovary and it is naked seeded. What is monocot plant? What dicot plants? Simple questions. Plants having monocotyledon, they have fibrous root. One cotyledon is called monocotyledon, whereas dicotyledon means opposite. Taproot system, two cotyledon in seed and reticular venation. Bat is mammal because it directly gives birth to baby and they have mammary glands. It directly gives birth to babies and have mammary glands, so bat is a mammal but not a bird. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. Yes, it is true that Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom because it contains largest number of species and plants. Species and of animals, and Arthropoda are cosmopolitan in distributions. Animals and they are cosmopolitan in distribution, found everywhere in water, air, and land. Cyclones. Cyclones is sessile and sedentary. It is because it is attached to substratum like shale rock etc. and does not show active locomotion due to lack of locomotory organs. Pine and cycas are kept under gymnosperm because they are naked-seeded plants and grown in extreme climate. Sea is kept in Pisces because it has two-chamber heart like fishes and gills for respiration like the animals of Pisces. Frog is cold-blooded animal because its body temperature changes according to surrounding temperature. Horse is warm-blooded animal because its surface temperature is constant throughout the all season. Amphibians are kept in the phylum Chordata because they have notochord nerve cord in the embryonic development. Dorsal nerve cord is present. Although Chordata has four-chamber heart, but it belongs to reptilian class because it is oviparous, cold-blooded animal resemble in feather with reptilians. Fucus and Mercantia look like alike, but Fucus is classified as algae, while Mercantia is classified bryophyta. Algae, it is as it is less developed and has thalloid body. Mercantia is brachyphyte because it is more developed and its body has rhizoids, stem and leaves. Although bats or whales are dissimilar characteristics, they belong to the same class because both of them are viviparous and have mammary glands. Cow is kept under mammalia because cow is mammal, it has mammary glands and directly give birth to babies. Corn is not flowering plant. Cycas bears flower like corn but no fruits. Banana bears flower fruit. However, all these plants kept same division. In this means their division Trichophyta. So corn is not flowering plant. Cycas bear flower like corn but no fruits. Banana bears flower and fruits. However, all these plants are kept in same division Trichophyta because all of them have vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. Orthome is called hermaphrodite animal because it contains both male and female reproductive organs in the same body. Classification of living being is necessary. Why? We have already discussed this. Because classification makes the study of organism easier, faster, cheaper and interesting. Classify the following organisms with one important feature. Kingdom Plantae, Sphaerogyra. Division Algae, type Sphaerogyra. Characteristic features, they are autotrophs. Their body is like thallus. Nostoclamidomonas, Fucus, Volvox, Ulothrix. All these, if you classify, kingdom is plant, division algae, example this. Characteristic features, they are autotrophs, they are like by thallus. They are autotrophs, their body is like thallus. Moss, it's kingdom plant, division Bryophyta, type Bos. Moss. Feature already told, grow in shady and moist place, amphibian plants. Liver Riccia mercantia. These all three plants have same. So to save the space, we put it together. Liver Riccia and mercantia. Kingdom plant, sub plant, or we can say plantae. Division Bryophyta, type Liverwortia mercantia. They grow in moist and shady place. They are amphibian plants. Fern Plantae, Kingdom Plantae. Division Tracheophyta, subdivision Pteridophyta and type Fern. Characteristic of fern, grow in shady place, have vascular tissues. Club moss, hostel, Pteris, Raginella, feral head fern, ground gooseberry. Kingdom Plantae, division Trichophyta, subdivision Pteridophyta, type club moss. Pine. Kingdom Plantae, division Trichophyta, subdivision Gymnosperm, type pine. Naked seed and they are coniferous. Cycas, fir and deodar. Kingdom Plantae, division Trichophyta, subdivision Gymnosperm and type Cycas, fir, deodar. cyclosphere. Kingdom plant T division Trachyphyta subdivision Gymnosperm type Cyclosphere. They have naked seed. They are coniferous. Maize, wheat, barley, bamboo, sugarcane, pistia, water, hyacinths, etc. These all we need to classify. Maize, wheat, barley, bamboo, sugarcane, pistia, water, hyacinth. Kingdom plant T division Trachyphyta subdivision Angiosperm. Class monocotyledon. Type wheat, barley. These all are monocotyledon. They have fibrous root. Their leaves have parallel venation. That is the main feature of monocotyledon. Similarly, mustard, mango, apple, radish, these all are dicotyledon. Kingdom plantae, division Trachyphyta, subdivision Angiosperm, class dicotyledon, mustard, mango, apple, radish, carrot, etc. They have taproot. They have reticular venation in leaves. No difference between bird and bat. They directly give birth to their babies. They lay eggs. They have mammary glands. They lack mammary glands. Monocot, dicot. It has only one cotyledon in seed. It has two cotyledon. Leaves have parallel venation. Leaves have reticulate venation. It has fibrous root. It has taproot. These are also different. Oviparous, viviparous. Egg-laying animal are oviparous. The animal is directly give birth to babies. They are viviparous. Fertilization may be internal or external. Fertilization is always internal. External fertilization it occurs outside body. Internal fertilization it occurs inside female body. It occurs fish in frog. It occurs in apes and mammals. Tapeworm hookworm. It's Platyhelminthes. It lies under phylum Aschelminthes. Its body is flat. Its body is elongated and cylindrical. Spiraea and fungi. They are autotrophs. They are saprophytes. They are found in watery place. They are found in dendricate material. Wheat and pea. Obviously, wheat. If you see wheat leaves, it has parallel venation. Pea, it has reticular venation. It has fibrous roots. It has taproot. Gymnosperm and angiosperm. Gymnosperm are present instead of flowers. Angiosperm, they have well-developed flower. Seeds are naked. Seeds are enclosed. Garlic and onion on the basis of their leaves and root. It lives as parallel venation because its gymnosperm. It lives as reticulate venation. It has fibrous taproot system. Cold-blooded and warm-blooded. Obviously, it's already discussed. Their body temperature changes according to surrounding, but this does not change warm-blooded. They undergo hibernation. They do not undergo hibernation. Hibernation means winter sleep, remaining dormant over the extreme climate. Plant kingdom, animal kingdom. This also we can easily do. Fish and starfish. Fish, body radially symmetrical, body is bilaterally symmetrical. It has calciferous spines. It has waterproof scale in the body. Jellyfish, starfish. It's Coelenterata, it's mollusca. It has tissue and organs, cuttlefish. No tissue. It has tissue but no organs. It has coelenterine cavity. It has elementary canal. Moss, club moss. It has rhizoids. It has rhizome. It does not have vascular tissue. It has vascular tissue. Pine and people. Pine has naked seed, it has enclosed seed, it has ovary, it lacks ovary. These are fishes. Fish and whale. It is oviparous, it is viviparous. It lacks mammary gland, it has mammary gland. Dove, it is oviparous, it is viviparous bat. It lacks mammary gland, it has mammary gland bat. Into how many divisions are organisms divided in plant kingdom? Obviously, 3 divisions are there, namely algae, bryophyta and pteridophyta. There are similarities between gymnosperm and angiosperm. Similarities. Both of them have vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. Both of them produce seed. If you are given only a leaves of some plant in Trichophyta, asked to distinguish their subdivision using taxonomic level, to have acquired knowledge. Is it possible to do so? Of course, we can distinguish subdivision of Trichophyta by using taxonomic knowledge acquired in the class. Three subdivisions of Trichophyta: Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm and Angiosperm. Pteridophyta is characterized by feather-like leaves. Roshni observed the flower of new plant in garden and concluded that the plant belongs to monocotyledon. Each observation of only flower is the right way to identify monocotyledon. Roshni observed the flowers only and concluded that plants belong to monocotyledon. We can know how monocotyledon plant by observing. We can know monocotyledon plant by observing its flower, because petals of flowers of monocotyledons are in multiple of 3. It is also advised to look at other characteristics to identify monocotyledon plants such as parallel venation of leaves, one cotyledon seeds, etc. and fibrous root system. Following chart shows the group of 4 animals. In which group do fish or rabbit belong to? A. Invertebrates. In which group do fish and rabbit belong to? The fish belong to group D and the rabbit belong to group C, because it is terrestrial. Fish belong to group D because aquatic and vertebrates. Rabbit belong to group C because it's terrestrial and animals. Digestive system is not developed in animals of phylum Porifera. How do they digest food? Animal of Poriferans digest food using water canal system. They have small pores in their body called ostia. The water also brings small particles of food inside the body. When the food is digested, nutrients are absorbed by inner wall of the body. Then the waste and excess water are removed from the sculum. Shark and whale both live in water based on the feature which one is more developed animal and right reason. Shark and whale both live in water, however, based on their feature, whale is more developed than shark because the whale is more developed than shark because the whale has a four-chamber heart, but shark has two-chamber heart only. Whale are warm-blooded animals, shark are cold-blooded animals. If the following features are found in certain plants, to which division and subdivision they belong? Flowers, fruits are inside them. Trachyphyta and angiosperm. Male and female flower are separately found and bears naked seed. Trachyphyta, subdivision angiosperm. Identify the subdivision of plants given with the following example. Plants bearing seed, having seed without seed coat, obviously pine. Plants having leaf with parallel venation means wheat, monocot plant. Plants having white leaf and reticulate venation, subdivision angiosperm, example mustard. Give the name, division and class of the following organism and write two characteristics of it. Seeds are included in fruits. Fibrous roots are found. Name of plant onion. Division Trachyphyta. Class monocotyledon. Other characteristics. It has only one cotyledon in seed. The leaves are parallel venation. Okay, this much for today for short question carrying marks 2, because there are many questions and long question will continue next day. Please prepare the lesson very nicely. All the best for your upcoming exam, and for the SC students, please do work hard. A good deed is never lost. Thank you.